Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change date and time in your Android phone. So at first, swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here, scroll all the way down and then go to General Management. After that, go to Date and Time option. Now from here, to set your time, just tap on Set Time option and then set the current time and then tap on Done. After that, tap on Set Date, then set current date and then tap on Done, and it's done. Now date and time has been changed successfully. Also, if you want to use 24-hour format, then just tap on this option and it's enabled. Also, if you enable automatic date and time option, then date and time will be set automatically. Use the date and time provided by your network. You can also enable automatic time zone option from here. And that is how you can change date and time in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.